For everybody who wants to build a brand, it's one about being authentic. You are the most important piece in presenting yourself to the public. So you have to be authentic. You have to be consistent. You have to be passionate about what you believe in. We've constantly changed and evolved with the marketplace. What does the marketplace really want? So we layer on our value proposition. What we had a few years ago is now really basic. And what we're doing now is so far advanced. Nothing is the same in this business. It's constantly changing. I'm coaching with our team in Maryland, over 100 agents, and I'm coaching with our teams across the United States and Canada. It's not what happened when I was in sales years ago, but I can really feel and understand their concerns and what's happening with today's buyer and seller, which is much different, and it's constantly evolving. Greatest challenge today is that buyers and sellers still have that perception of the market a year ago or 2 years ago, and it is shifting. Markets are always shifting. So you're going to see more listings being lost. You're going to see more price reductions. You're going to see expired listings. And these are huge opportunities. Every market brings huge opportunities to all of you out there. Embrace this.